Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit photos in CapCut on PC with step-by-step instructions. CapCut isn't just for video editing. You can also edit photos, add backgrounds, filters, text, and effects, just like you would with a video. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to explore CapCut's photo editing features, this tutorial will help you. So, make sure to watch till the end to get the best tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Now let's import a photo into the project. Click on Import Media and select the photo you want to edit. Drag the photo onto the timeline. Once added, you'll see your photo displayed in the preview window. From here, you can resize or reposition your photo by dragging the corners in the preview window. If you want to add a background behind your photo, CapCut offers a few simple ways to do this. Click on your photo in the timeline. Go to the right side menu and click on Basic. Scroll down and find Canvas. Select Background and choose from Blur Solid Color Pattern. This allows you to customize the look of your photo with different background styles. CapCut also lets you enhance your photo with filters and effects. Click on Filters in the top menu. Scroll through the available filters and select one that matches your style. Adjust the intensity of the filter using the slider. This is a quick way to make your photo look more professional without needing advanced editing skills. If you want full control over your photo's appearance, you can manually adjust the settings. Click on Adjustment in the menu. Modify the following. Brightness. Increase or decrease brightness. Contrast. Make your photo pop by adjusting contrast. Saturation. Enhance or reduce color intensity. Hue and temperature. Adjust color tones for a warmer or cooler look. You can experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance for your photo. If you want even more control over the colors in your photo, click on HSL, Hue, Saturation, Lightness. Select a specific color, e.g., red, blue, green, and adjust Hue to change the color tone, Saturation to increase or decrease intensity, Lightness to make it brighter or darker. This is great for color correction and creating a unique aesthetic for your photos. Once you're happy with the edits, it's time to export your photo. Click on Export in the top right corner. Choose MP4 format, since CapCut treats photos as short clips. Select the best quality settings for sharp images. Click Export, and your edited photo is saved. You can now use it for social media, presentations, or other projects. And that's it! Now you know how to edit photos in CapCut PC like a pro. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.